How to repost a story on Instagram without being mentioned. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys, and it's a pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started. So I'm just going to show you guys it right here with an account here at the top. So let's say Mr. Beast is, for example, a friend of mine and I want to repost it, but I'm just not tagged in it or mentioned in it. What you can do is, click on this story and then remember the exact username and go to your browser and search for storysafer.net. Now then what you want to do is simply enter that person, their username, click on download. First you have to do the CAPTCHA thing. So let's just do that real quick. And once this loads up, you should see all of that person's their story. So the good thing about this is that, of course you could also simply just take a screenshot. But the best thing is that via this way, you can also do it with videos. So let's say I would like to do this video. I'll just click on save as video, then click on download. Then the download will pop up over here on iPhone. You want to click on it, click on the share button in the bottom left corner, then make sure to save it right over here. Once you've done that, you want to go back to Instagram, go to your story, click to add something to your story, then add it right over here, click on done, and there we go. We can now repost someone's exact story just like that. I do think it's always pretty nice, for example, to add the person from the story. Unless it's, for example, a friend, then you would probably do that anyways. But if it's someone else and you don't give credit, it's kind of like, not that nice to do. So yeah, that is how to repost a story on Instagram without being mentioned. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.